Hi there, I'm John from Basjoo Gardening Services, and I just quickly wanted to talk about taking on a particular service, recruiting someone, or having someone provide a particular solution for you in your home, or even outside your home space, but particularly in relation to gardening. Now, interacting with different tradespeople can be a challenge at times. There's a number of milestones and key things to address. Now, frankly, a business transaction is just the case of two different parties identifying whether they align and whether they can support and exchange something to benefit one another. It's as simple as that. Now, for that to simply take place, a lot of communication has to take place before entering into an arrangement or agreement. Now, any credible business is likely spent a lot of energy trying to make that process easier for both you and them. I say that again, any credible business that is passionate about growing its business has probably made the process easier for you and them to determine whether you're the right fit for them or not. So places that may be apparent is online and other areas such as traditional print. They will be dedicating time and money to educating the general public as to what they provide, how they do it, and whether you're the best fit for them or not. So you, as the consumer, have the opportunity to do a bit of research, a bit of due diligence before you get on the phone and scope out what they're about, who they are, what type of language they use, and whether it's the type of professional or business that you want to interact with and you would naturally fit with. So certain places that you can obviously do a bit more research on is, first, that personal recommendation. Is there someone directly that you know that has advised and recommended this person? And what I mean by that is a friend, family, relative. I don't necessarily mean someone on Facebook or on a Facebook group or on the Nextdoor app that is just a local person that you don't even know or have met before. Okay, do they have an online presence? So any business out there who's trying to attract clients and tell people about their business will have some form of online presence in some capacity. Now, think about different companies out there. Think about the lengths that Apple or Amazon go to publicize and market their services. Now, these are big national companies advertising, but even the small sole trader, no matter how IT illiterate that individual is, will have some form of online presence. Computers have been around, the internet have been around now for a few decades, so I would really encourage you, look on their website. If they've got a website to start with, does it communicate the type of company that you want to interact with? Do they have a Google registered business with reviews on there? What are some of the common words that are used within those reviews? Do they have examples of the type of work that they do? Do they provide terms and conditions? And if it's still in doubt, get on the phone, speak to them and get an idea of who they are before inviting them around, by which point all you've done is had a conversation with them over the phone. You've not commanded them to get in their vehicle, carve out some time specifically for you to travel to your premises and met with you at their expense. It's an impartial way, it's a cheaper way for you and the professionals to initially ascertain whether you're the right fit. Okay, if you've liked this video, hopefully it's been of assistance. We've got another video that is dedicated to this topic in more detail, about the process in greater detail. So things like deciding on your price, and the level of service that you would like. You can find those on our YouTube channel. But if you've liked this video, please do like and subscribe. It really helps us market our service to individuals like you, and other people in the community to support both our business and providing a relevant solution. If you are in Lichfield District or in Staffordshire or the West Midlands and you would like some help in your garden, do feel free to get in touch. I'm John at Basjoo Gardening Services. Thank you.